In spite of the fact that blockchain innovation and, likewise, digital money are key drivers of the period of the web known as Web 3.0, that doesn't imply that each framework on the blockchain is, basically, accomplishing something that must be finished on Web 3.0. There are a ton of stages that work with things, either in the circle of money or of innovation, that have been around however long the web, or at times since before the internet truly turned into a thing. One instance of something that should be possible on both the blockchain and in what we could call customary registering is illustrations, especially the designs that are utilized in video games. The thought is that the idea of the blockchain can support joint effort and can permit things to occur in a manner that is speedier and more straightforward for game engineers. One association that uses blockchain innovation to assist individuals with making PC and video game designs is the Rndr organization. Established in 2016 by Jules Erbach, it is a true auxiliary of Illustrations Organization OTOY. The framework utilizes the Ethereum blockchain as a base from which to permit individuals who need to deliver illustrations to collaborate with individuals who have designs handling units. As the organization's site says, what's in store is being constructed today, and equipment limits ought not be what holds you back from being a piece of the new computerized renaissance. Rndr puts the force of GPU delivering readily available for a portion of the expense and speed of in-house delivery. Each blockchain-based stage requirements to have its own local digital currency, and the Rndr organization has the Rndr token, likewise realized by its ticker handle Rndr. This crypto is intended to remunerate individuals who connect their GPUs with the framework. The stage likewise utilizes brilliant agreements, PC programs which execute consequently when certain circumstances are met, to keep individuals from doing disgraceful and fake work. Rndr, which originally went onto the open market in 2020, can likewise be purchased, sold, and exchanged on crypto trades. Something that we really want to specify at this stage is, on the grounds that it depends on Ethereum, the Rndr token is, as its name proposes, a token instead of a coin. You could see references to such things as a Rndr coin cost expectation or, more regrettable, a Rndr token coin cost forecast, yet such terms are, in fact, talking wrong. Rndr token cost history. Presently, how about we cast our eyes over a portion of the Rndr cost history? While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, knowing what the crypto has done in the past can assist with giving us some helpful setting to decipher a Rndr token cost expectation that is as of now out there, or to make one of our own. At the point when Rndr previously hit the open market in June 2020, it was valued at 4 cents. While it shot up to 26 cents in late August that year, it then, at that point, experienced pinnacles and bucks over the course of the following couple of months. In mid-2021, however, the market truly got up from the alleged crypto winter it had gone throughout the past couple of years, and, in late walk, Rndr exchanged at around $2.50. From that point forward, however, there was a slump and the token spent the mid-year struggling to hang on, exchanging beneath 50 cents in late June. There was a revisitation of structure later in the year, however, as further developed economic situations, supported by the news that Bitcoin had arrived at record levels, saw the Rndr token cost shoot up to an unsurpassed high of $8.76 on the 21st of November 2021. From that point onward, however, the market encountered a slump and Rndr fell with it, shutting the year at $4.61. While 2021 was a decent year for both crypto and Rndr, 2022 has been poor. Albeit the Rndr token rose to a high of $5.44 on the 4th of January 2022, it then sank down to $1.81 on the 24th of January. In spite of the fact that there was a recuperation to $4.17 on the 2nd of February, prodded by a posting on the Coinbase crypto trade. There were then more pinnacles and bucks before a progression of market declines saw it sink to a low of 29 cents on the 19th of June 2022. From that point forward, there was a sluggish recuperation to 79 cents on the 13th of August 2022. However, at that point one more slump to 37 cents on the 13th of October. Toward the beginning of November, however, the news that Rndr had been recorded by crypto banking application Revolut saw it experience something of a recuperation, breaking past the dollar boundary interestingly since May to remain at a high of $1.14 on the 6th of November 2022. By the 7th of November 2022, things had quieted down to some degree and it exchanged at around 92 cents. Around then, there were 253,798,859.69 Rndr available for use out of a complete inventory of 530,962,650. This gave the token a market cap of just shy of $235 m, making it the 132nd biggest crypto by that measurement. Rndr token cost expectations. With that completely far removed, we should now investigate a portion of the Rndr token cost expectations that were being made starting around the 7th of November 2022. It is vital to recollect here that cost estimates, particularly with regards to something as possibly unpredictable as a digital currency, frequently end up being incorrectly. Likewise, you ought to take note of that some long-haul crypto value expectations are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that they can change whenever. To start with, had a Rndr token cost expectation for 2023 that saw it possibly open the year at somewhat under $2.86, prior to arriving at a small part of a penny beneath $4.50 on the 7th of November and conceivably shutting the year at $6.95. By the 7th of November 2024, the site recommended Rndr could merit a little beneath $8.59, prior to saying it could arrive at a negligible part of a penny underneath $13.59 every year from that point and approach $19.46 a year after that. By the 7th of November 2027, the site said the Rndr token could be valued at $26.33. Then, made a Rndr token cost forecast which recommended the crypto could close 2022 at $1.08 before possibly climbing to exchange at $1.77 in November 2023, then climbing further to $3.81 by November 2024. The site then proceeded to make a Rndr token cost expectation for 2025 that said the crypto could begin the year at $3.58, with it possibly arriving at a yearly high of $5.46 in November prior to plunging to $4.70 the next month. By November 2026, the site said the Rndr token could be worth about $8.53 previously. Indeed, it could fall marginally to close the year at $8.36. In the meantime, had a Rndr token crypto cost forecast which contended that Rndr could drop to 70 cents in January 2023, preceding possibly recuperating to $1.20 in November that year. The site proceeded to recommend that the crypto could exchange at $1.96 in 2025. That was, notwithstanding, as great as things got, on the grounds that the site contended that Rndr could tumble to being valued at $0 by November 2027. There was, the site said, little any expectation of a recuperation from that, since it made a Rndr token cost expectation for 2030 and one more for 2040, the two of which recommended it would slow down at $0, become a true dead coin. At long last, made a Rndr cost expectation which additionally contended that the token could confront a few difficult stretches from here on out. The site said that the Rndr token would be able, possibly, go through an extreme a year, with it dropping to only 7 cents by November 2023. While considering a Rndr token cost forecast, it's vital to remember that cryptographic money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. In that capacity, experts and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectation. Assuming you are thinking